ARRIS presents the Touchstone Telephony Modem. If you are mounting the telephony modem on a drywall surface, make sure you have the following tools and materials before proceeding. The telephony modem, the wall mounting template and transparent tape for temporarily securing the mounting template to the wall, a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, 2 1.5 inch drywall anchors and the enclosed screws, a screwdriver for wall mounting hardware. The telephony modem is shipped with 1 or 2 lithium-ion batteries. To install the batteries, pull down on the 2 latches holding the battery door and pull the door away from you. Hold the battery by its tab and insert it into the bay. Push the battery into the bay until it latches into place and replace the door. The telephony modem will not operate until you apply AC power. Now that the batteries are installed, you are ready to mount the telephony modem to the wall or desktop. If you mount it on a desktop, be sure there is sufficient room for ventilation and that the telephony modem is not in danger of falling off the edge of the desk. If you wish to place your telephony modem on the desktop, select a location that will allow for proper cable clearance and ventilation for the unit. Leave enough slack in all cables so that the telephony modem can be removed for maintenance without disconnecting cables. There should also be enough room on the side of the telephony modem to allow for battery replacement if your model features battery backup. Now that the telephony modem is in its location, it is time to make the power, RF, and telephone connections to the unit. Before you make any of these connections, make sure that the existing wires providing telephone service are physically disconnected from the incumbent service provider's network interface device. This is a physical break in the connection, not just a discontinuation of service. Failure to do so will result in damage to the telephony modem. Do not connect both the Ethernet and USB cables from the telephony modem to the same computer. Make sure the installer has the proper RF and telephone cables. Be sure to use a torque limiting wrench to apply proper pressure to the RF connectors at the telephony modem and wall jack. Note that improperly tightened RF connectors can allow noise into the network, resulting in data errors or dropped calls. The first thing you must do when connecting the telephony modem is to verify proper grounding of the incoming coax shield. Next, you will connect one end of the coax cable to the connection in the wall and the other end to the connector on the telephony modem labeled cable. Connect the power cord to the telephony modem by inserting one end of the power cord into the power jack on the back of the telephony modem and the opposite end into a convenient wall outlet. Your telephony modem comes with a pass-through power cord. To ensure the unit does not get unplugged accidentally, unscrew the wall outlet cover, plug in the telephony modem, and screw the outlet cover screw through the opening on top of the power plug. Next, make either a USB connection or an Ethernet connection between the modem and the PC. To make the USB connection, connect one end of the USB cable to the USB port on the computer and the other end to the USB port on the back of the telephony modem. If you are making an Ethernet instead of a USB connection, attach one end of the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your computer and the other end to the Ethernet port on the back of the telephony modem. To make the telephone connection, connect one end of the telephone cable to a telephone using the standard RJ11 connector. Connect the other end to the telephony modem at the connection labeled Tel1/Tel2. If you are mounting the modem on a drywall surface, make sure the telephony modem is positioned within 4 feet of an electrical outlet, 6 feet of the computer, near a cable and telephone jack. You are now ready to mount the telephony modem to a drywall surface. When mounting the unit, It is best if you position it so that the screws are fastened to a stud to prevent the telephony modem from pulling out of the wall in the future. Using the enclosed wall mounting template, position the mounting template on the wall and secure with tape. Drill holes through the template in the specified locations. After drilling, remove the template. Set the anchors into the holes and drive the screws into the anchors. Be sure to leave a gap of about 3 mm between the screw head and the wall. Lift the telephony modem into position. Slip the large end of the mounting slots over the screws and slide the case down until the narrow end of the keyhole slot contacts the screw.